So a warm welcome. My name's Dr. Jennifer Jones and I lead on a number of the master's programs in the Preventive Medicine and Cardiovascular Health suite that are available at the University of Galway. These courses come under an umbrella and they include the MSc in Preventive Cardiology, the MSc in Cardiovascular and Pulmonary Rehabilitation, the MSc in Diabetes, the MSc in Obesity, and we also have a postgraduate certificate in cardiac rehabilitation. These courses have specialised pathways that are very focused on their specific title, but come together and share some modules that are delivered by the National Institute for Prevention and Cardiovascular Health, otherwise known as the NIPC. We're based in the headquarters of CRE, so CRE is a heart and stroke charity, a little walk away from the university campus, and is an thriving, active building filled with clinical programs, with translational medicine and research opportunities for our students. Our students come from all sorts of backgrounds, from medicine, from nursing, from physiotherapy, from dietetics, psychology, podiatry, all relevant backgrounds working together in interdisciplinary natures. And that's why the course comes together as an interdisciplinary focus.
I chose this course because I'm very passionate about preventative cardiology. The landmark INTERHEART trial found that modifiable risk factors account for 90% and 94% of the population attributable risk for myocardial infarction for men and women respectively. And yet cardiovascular diseases account for roughly 1/3 of deaths around the world. Specific to this course, I had heard that it has an excellent reputation for having great teachers and lecturers and being very well organised.
The things I found most useful in the course was that the content was available for me to go through in my own time. And another really useful aspect was the ability to be able to communicate with my fellow students when engaging with the content online. I would highly recommend this course to other students, as obesity is a growing area with new knowledge related to the causes of obesity as well as the treatments.
So the first thing I found really useful from the course was being online. I think had it not been online, I wouldn't have been able to do it between family life and travelling down to Galway. I don't think I would be able to do it on a full-time basis.
I chose this course because as a cardiology advanced nurse practitioner, I look after patients who are in both primary and secondary prevention. This course gave me additional knowledge to help prepare them for their journey throughout their cardiovascular health. I also have a huge interest in women's cardiovascular health. It's very topical at the moment, and the course definitely lends to additional information and adding to my knowledge. This can only benefit my patients and colleagues going forward, and I look forward to continuing my educational journey throughout prevention.
In terms of the MSc in Cardiovascular and Pulmonary Rehabilitation, I found it gave me access to a kind of a network of various health professionals working in different settings in Ireland that I can, touch base with and get advice, and we can kind of liaise regarding different issues. Another thing I found useful about the course, I suppose, is that it was online, so it allowed me to combine working full-time with studying for an MSc.
The MSc in Preventive Cardiology caught my eye because it offers a world-class education in cardiovascular disease prevention from world leaders in the field, and also provided me with the skills I would need to embark on my own research career in the future.
Two things I found useful in the course. The first thing is conducting systematic review, because it was my first time to go through and know how to conduct systematic review, and I gained really great experience in this part.
This course contributed in my development and improved my skills in research and how to put my knowledge in the clinic itself.
I would highly recommend this programme. It has wonderful tutors, current information, and within the postgraduate suite of programmes, there will be a programme to suit any profession.